Hey there, this is Buzzrod, and this is my Epic Games library, the PC version, on my phone. So I'm going to be playing some of those PC version games on my phone today using an app called GameNative. So this is the latest version, 0.7, which allows the Epic Games integration. So when you first set it up, what you want to do is click on the profile and go into the settings, and there'll be a section here called Epic Games Integration. So I've already logged in, but what you do is you click the sign on button, and once you sign in, you'll be taken to a page that shows an authorization code. So what you'll need to do is copy that code and then paste it into the box that appears, and then you'll be able to connect your Epic Games account. And once you do that, you can go back to your library and click on the filters button, and just to make things easier, you can just select the Epic Games to show only Epic Games on the list. So once that is done, you can then try and install some of the games. So I already have Celeste and Islet installed. Well, I uninstalled it, but those are the two games that I've managed to get working. So I should mention that GameNative is a Windows emulator, and it allows you to play GOG games, Steam games, and Epic games on your phone. So this is emulation. And with the games on the Epic store, there are some games that are tagged as compatible and others are unknown. So the compatible tag means that some users have reported that the game runs for them on their device. So it might also run on your device as well. However, it is not a guarantee. For example, with Absolute Drift, I tried to install it and it couldn't actually run properly. So you will need to test the game for your own device. So I'll just run Celeste, and clicking on the title, I've already installed it, and we're just going to run the game. And there'll be a loading sequence, as you can see, and it might take a few minutes or maybe just one or two before the game actually loads, depending on the game really and your own device. So I have Celeste running at 60 FPS as well, and I'll just start playing the game close to the beginning, so I'm very early on. For this type of precision platforming game, you definitely want to use a controller. As you can see, I'm pretty bad at this game. However, it is very playable and close to 60 FPS, as I mentioned. The game is running on the phone itself, so this isn't any streaming. For the games, I would suggest trying to run 2D games, as they're most likely to work well with your phone. This game is called Islet, and it is a 2D platforming game, and it runs quite well, up to 60 FPS, and it does have occasional dips down to 54, but mostly stable at 60. And the settings I have are on high, so the quality is high and running at 1080p resolution. So very playable. 2D games will be very good to play on emulation like this. Lastly, sometimes there is a download error. So for example, this is a game that I'm trying to install right now. And once I click on the install, the download starts and it goes to 9%, but it says download failed, unknown error. So I'm not sure how to fix that, but maybe the developer can make a fix for it in the next update. But yeah, that's pretty much all for me, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.